Hello people and welcome back to Comet Dashcam channel, number one channel when it comes to the craziest and most epic road encounters caught on driver's dashcam. Today's episode is going to be epic and I'm sure you'll enjoy watching it. All the clips used in today's episode are for educational purposes and hopefully you'll learn something as well. Without any further ado, let's get started. Road driver wasn't paying attention at all while changing lanes and because of that he almost hit the camera who was right beside him. Please guys, use your turn signals and check your mirrors before changing the lane. It's for everyone's safety.
I'm not gonna let you in now, you
Just hang up on me. Yeah. Oh!
Hey!
Oh, damn dog! No! 52 or whatever highway we live off of. Oh, that just...
Impatience is among the leading causes of accidents on the road. When drivers are too impatient to wait at the traffic light, they tend to make rash decisions and those decisions usually come with consequences. Luckily, this time it didn't come to a crash, but playing with fire is never a good idea.
Where we shot. These scenes were filmed at a picnic site called Charlton Flats, and we spent one day shooting all of the forest scenes, and that day was... Can I get a Kentapedia from you, Angela? Because Kentapedia gave me this information. Kentapedia! Thank you so much. You're welcome. Wednesday, October 17th, 2007. That's such a specific Kentapedia fact.
In this video, you'll see a Tesla driver being impatient and the outcome of his impatience. He tried to speed up to beat the light and because of that he hit the curb as he made a left turn, and this is the outcome. In this video, you'll see how not to reverse from your parking space. This driver was not looking at all, and that's definitely not the right way to do it. Impatient driver couldn't wait for the camera to move over safely first and pass. He sped up from way behind and cut multiple vehicles off, including the camera.
Copies of your backup codes for every website, you'll be locked out of those accounts. Ask me how I know, parentheses, it took months if I didn't get back into my accounts, but I'm still permanently locked out of my Reddit account forever since they have no contingency process to prove your identity. I have switched to Authy, which does have a backup feature, but I also now keep a master document. Great bit of advice following up from that 2FA conversation that we had. If you do use Google Authenticator,
Camera caught an elderly lady having difficulties maintaining her lane position. She was swerving all over the place, and the scary part is that she continued after the camera stopped recording as well.
I see how that happened.
Yeah.
And then my favorite of them all was that GPay then became Google Wallet. Kind of, you know, as the carousel of life with Android continues. But I gotta admit, I use Google Wallet every day and I love it. Like I mentioned, I was traveling this month. I was in LA, and every boarding pass I threw in my Google Wallet. It was there, ready to go. Scanned when I got on the plane. Like, it worked really nicely. My loyalty cards, all that sort of stuff. Like I do like what Google Wallet has become. It's just been a circuitous journey through names.
It has, and we're here for good, right? Like, you can tell us with absolute certainty, Chet, that 10 years from now, Google Wallet. Of course, I'm not going to ask you that.
Hidden Wake Forest police catch his red arrow runner.
With this clip, we conclude yet another epic episode on Caught on Dashcam channel. I hope you enjoyed and learned a thing or two on proper traffic behavior. If you like this type of content, don't hesitate to leave a like and hit that subscribe button because it helps us grow. Make sure to click that bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content. Until the next episode, ride safe and take care.